No. All right, well, we're gonna go. I am not bringing you. Gonna go on a little adventure today and fly the drone. The Karma drone with the Hero 5 on it. And I've never done this before, but gonna see how it goes. Gonna grab some coffee first. I played with the simulator that comes with the GoPro hand device. Let's see what we get.
Dunkin' Donuts there. Can we help you?
Yeah, sorry, can I have just one moment, please? Okay, I know what I want.
What is that?
Iced coffee.
Please go up.
Cool. All right, so we're here. I was planning on kind of talking to you over the coffee that I just bought, or about 20 minutes ago, but I finished it. I was planning on talking while we were on the way to the beach here, Watch Hill, Rhode Island. I think that the vloggers that I watch who talk while they're driving probably have some sort of dashboard mount for their camera, which I didn't really consider before. Anyway, we're here. I'm gonna go out and try to film with the GoPro Karma. So, this is where we'll be launching, or where, I keep saying we. This is where I will be launching my Karma drone for the first time. I think it's pretty good. It's a little bit breezy today, but I'm kind of hoping that that doesn't blow away out to sea or land in the water and I can't get to it or anything like that. If it does, well, that's an expensive lesson learned, I guess. Basically, that was a lot of really harsh transitions. I'm not comfortable yet getting it up in the air, getting it maybe too far away just in case anything happens. Also, I've found that the battery goes down really fast. I don't know if that's because of the wind, if it had to try a bit harder to stay in one spot. I think on a calmer day the battery life might be a bit better, but we'll give that a try another day. Right now I think I'm going to film a little bit of B-roll. Hopefully I'll kind of supplement for maybe the 1 or 2 usable clips that I actually took today. Okay, so I don't have much battery on this, and I've run out of battery totally on the Karma, but I kind of went out to another location just now. I've gotten one, I think, good clip from that. What I've learned today is that you kind of need to make a plan. You need to kind of look at what you're going to be shooting before you send it up in the air and what kind of angles you're looking for. Maybe even before shooting, doing some location scouting. Also, I'm working on my eye contact. I know that I'm not very good at this yet. Talking to a camera is a little weird. Just gonna work on my confidence with that one. Anyway, just gonna head home and see what I got. Also, this camera that I'm recording on is a Nikon D7000, so yeah, it doesn't really have a flip screen and I can't really see myself while I shoot, so I think a next investment would be like a camera in which I know if I'm framing myself right or if I'm actually in focus, unlike that last clip. So anyway, bear with me. But yeah.